Awesome. Yeah, Ed Milet's Ed Milet's amazing. I listen to him on a daily basis, his podcast. You can also check him out on YouTube, Ed Milet, the Ed Milet Show. This is a new episode. So yeah, I want to share that message with you guys because this is reminding me of that. This is really, I'm going to continue listening to this. So yeah, definitely check out his content, Ed Milet Show. He's amazing. He's the number one personal development coach right now in the world. So he's really good. Damn, I remember he had like 300K subscribers. Now he has a million. And he's growing. But yeah, definitely check him out. He's really good. So this morning we had news, unemployment claims. So it came out negative. The number went from 223 to 243. Okay. The number of it increased. So the previous number was 223, and it went up by 20K, and it resulted in this bullish candle on gold. And now we're getting that micro trend arrow. It just tested my hourly zone there around 2460. We have New York Open coming up in 3 minutes. We could see a push up. Let's see here. We're at a good zone right now. You could see potential push up to the upside for a buy. It's giving us that micro trend arrow here. Boom. It came back down and retest my hourly zone and it shot up. New York Open, I'm seeing this break and retest here to the upside. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's what I see. Oh no. There we go. So we got that blue micro trend arrow that just popped up. You can see a continuation to the upside. I do want to see a bullish candle forming here. We have two bullish candles in a row so far. This could be a potential buy reversal. Let's see, this could be let's just call it. This could be a 3 inside up confirmation candle. I'm bullish on gold. It's going to go 2,500. I've been calling it for months now. We have blue micro trend arrows at the higher time frame. So the overall trend is to the ups is going to buy. We're still on buys here. Yes, we had a sales yesterday. Yesterday was all sales because it was wiping out all the buyers. Liquidity was taking out all the buyers. And now it's looking like it's hitting that support level. 2460. It just touched 2460 because it's a strong support. We can see a potential buy set up here. 2460, 2470, 75. All the way up to 2480, which is my resistance. Yeah, we have red over blue because right now it's experiencing a pullback at the 5 minute. I'm waiting for that next break of structure. But when you look at the higher time frame, guys, you guys got to focus on the bigger picture. You got to focus on the bigger picture. We still have price above the primary EMA here. We have price above the primary EMA. Secondary EMA here. We still have blue above red. So I'm waiting for that next break of structure to the upside, about 2465, which is my internal zone. It broke below, came back to retest, resistance, came back down, support, bounced off of it. We're at a strong support level because we have price action here. So respected. I do want to see that break and retest above my 2465 area. So that's what I'm waiting for. If it breaks below, then the trade is invalid. Just wait for the next structure. Just had a micro pivot there that just popped up. Could see. Doing something like this. These micro pivot lines are your counter trend lines for break of structure. So let's see how price reacts within this area. It touched here, gave us a wick there, and push price up. Now it's coming back down to retest again. Let's see how it reacts this time. Let's see if it's going to respect that zone or it's going to break it. Yeah, but sellers are not coming in. Sellers are now dominating. Let's see, 15-minute. Yesterday we had this huge bearish candle here. Huge impulsive move. Push price down. And then London session, Tokyo, Sydney, London session, and push price up here. This is Sydney and Tokyo. This is actually London session here. It's pushing price down. Price is still within my zone there at the hourly. It's reacting there. So impulse just gave me that red macro trend arrow to 5 minute. So it's looking like it wants to break below that zone. Yeah, so there she goes. So it just broke below. So the buy is invalid above 24.65. We could see a potential shift of market direction. Now let's see, the next key level is 24.55 here. So el compra no es válido porque está quebrando mi zona de hora. Está quebrando abajo. So podemos mirar una venta aquí. Si toca 24.55 y baja, puede ser un cambio de dirección del mercado de compra a venta. So we could see a potential shift of market direction. When it breaks below 24.55, then we're in sell mode. $4.54. Let's see, this could be a liquidity sweep. Because we do have money here from the buyers. Here, here, this low, this low. It's giving me that wick. You see, price hasn't successfully broken below. Like it's still maintaining that area. Like it gave me that wick, but it hasn't fully breaking below. It has to break and close. The body has to close low structure below my zone here. It hasn't done that yet. We still have 5 minutes on this 15-minute candle. 5 minute. So there she goes. 5 minute close below structure. We do have price action here. around 24.55. It's taking out this liquidity here from the buyers. This is all money. That's why we have that wick, because we have liquidity here on the buys. So it's taking that out. Strength arrows down because we're experiencing a pullback at the smaller time frames. But overall, we're still on uptrend. So I'm still in buy mode. That's a strong whip there. There she goes. Could this be the area where we can see a confirmation pattern? We still have that hourly bearish candle. Yeah, it's respecting that zone there. See, we have a low here. It's reacting in that area because we have there's liquidity here. That's why you see price reacting around that area, because we have liquidity here. Liquidity means money. Liquidity means money is basically being taken out. Gotta pay attention to these wicks. It tells a story, because this is where price used to be. It shot up and is building liquidity, or actually it's being taken out, because we had liquidity here, and this is came back down to liquidate. Now we see price pushing up. We're at the 45-minute mark. This is all money. From all the cells. We're at a strong hourly support level. Even though it's giving me that red microchannel at the 5-minute, it's because of this short-term pullback, but now it's coming back up. We could see that red arrow turn blue. Oh, snap. Oh yeah, I'm recording this. Okay, good. Thought for a moment I was recording. All right. There she goes. Now I do want to see another bullish candle forming. This could be a double candle pattern. A double candle pattern, a tweezer bottom. No, hold on. A piercing line. So this is a double candle pattern confirmation. When you see this happening, this bearish and bullish candle about the same size, and then it's a reversal buy. When you see both a bearish and a bullish candle following, when you see a bearish candle following with a bullish candle, same size, same body, same shape, that's a potential reversal for a buy. We're going to see another bullish candle forming. So this could be a buy. And broke above my micro pivot. I'm gonna wait for the new hour pop before I look for any moves. Let's see. We have 10 minutes to the new hour. Five. Let's see. I'm not entering any buys right now. Let me just take this off. I'm not entering any buys because I'm waiting for my confirmation to line up. I'm waiting for the top of the hour. Anything can happen. So I'm just stay patient. See this move happening here. So we could see a continuation to the downside. So we'll be patient here. Wait for the hour to hit. Maybe this could be our support level for that big buy. If not, then that trade's invalid and we could see potential setup around 24.55. 24.55, we do have price action here. There she goes. I do want to see a break above my micro pivot line. We have 5 minutes to the new hour. If it gives me a bullish candle here, then I'm gonna take it. Look at the stochastic. I have the RSI going into my blue zone here. It crossed above my blue line, it's heading towards my blue zone. So we could see a potential buy set up here. Situations like this is when I pull up other indicators just to confirm, to see where the price momentum is going. I really don't use it. In a situation like this, I would just use it just in case. When you see the RSI crossing above the blue line here, that indicates a buy. When you see the stochastic going within my zone, my blue zone, that's also a buy area. But when you see it's below my red zone there, we're still in sells, short-term sells. It's looking like it wants to push. There she goes. We're about to hit the 1 hour. We're about to hit the new hours, so we could see a potential buy set up here. I do want to see that break. We just hit the new hour. I broke above my micro pivot. You see a potential pullback to my micro pivot before the buy. We're not entering yet. Let's wait for that pullback. There she goes. Oh. Yeah, let's wait for that pullback. When you see an impulsive move like this, wait for the pullback. Because this is a key level here where price is reacting. So you're gonna expect that pullback before look at a continuation. Now it's breaking above. Okay, it's a good buy here. I actually got in. So you're good for the buy here, guys. You really gotta catch it quick because it gave me that wick right there. So make sure you're trading at your own risk. Stop loss is around 2460 area. Make sure you guys are using proper risk management. So $60. Stop loss 2460. Oh, let me see here. This is a 1, 2, 3 risk reward. TP1 2470. TP2 2475. TP2 2480. This is a, what's it called? A 3 inside up. You know, that pullback there. This could be a potential confirmation pattern, three outside up. Let's see. This 15-minute candle, gotta be bullish. When you see a bearish candle forming like this, following a bullish candle, is a potential reversal for a buy. I want this bullish 15-minute bullish candle to form. So right now, just a waiting game. I want that 15-minute candle to form bullish to confirm that pattern. Could come back to this micro pivot. And broke above my micro pivot there. We have less than 5 minutes for this 15-minute candle. The 1 hour. Yeah, the previous 1 hour candle gave me that wick, strong wick there. when there's like wicks happening like this is all money. This is all liquidity because we have the price touching the zone multiple times. We have touch here, touch here, touch here. Here, here, here. So it's a strong support area. That's why I have my hourly zone marked up there because around 2460 is a strong support. You could see a potential reversal to the upside when you look at the 1 hour. You look at the higher time frames to really determine where price is going to go. And price broke above my micro pivot there, broke above, and it came back. So I'm trusting my trade. And when we look at the 50-minute, see a potential buy and bullish candle forming there. That would be great. That's just reacting there. Want this resistance become support. Resistance, support. Also, I can take my counter trend line. You see that W formation. Retest, buy. So mind you guys, this is an intraday trade. So it could take, 30 minutes, an hour for it to set up. Could happen right now. Who knows? But it's an intraday trade. This trade will last for like 30 minutes, for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So because we're collecting here 150 pips. It's a 150 pip move. This is more of a scalp move from 2460, 2465. That's a total of 50 pips. You can catch a quick buy here for my scalpers. Catch a quick bag, 50 pips, and be out. But I'm looking for 100 plus pips to really make the best out of it. Remember, guys, low lot size, high pips. Big lot size, small pips. So if you have an account, if you have a big account balance, then just catch just 50 pip move on a standard. Calculate the numbers. Like, you'll make some good money, you know? Um, But if you don't have that much in your account balance and you're starting, little by little, so that way you can compound it, just stack up your trades, put in 3 positions, and just catch 100 pip, 150 pip move. But make sure you don't over leverage. Because I know people that they take high lot sizes with a small account balance to catch these small pips. Yes, you can catch, you can catch some profits, but you also end up risking more. You end up blowing your account that way. You don't want to do that. So yeah, guys, this is what I see. This is what I predict. Just wait for that break of structure to the upside. I do see a potential setup here. I'll just wait for that break of structure. If it hits 2460, then as long as you have a stop loss set up, you're good. I'm still in buy mode. About 2460 is buy mode. Yeah, those 4 bearish candles. Yeah, it's testing that micro pivot there. We come back down to retest. Just wait for that break and retest above 2465. If we take the buy, or we could see a buy opportunity here as well, or up here. So just make sure your confirmation candles line up. It depends how price is reacting here, but it's looking like it's reacting that micro pivot line. So you only got as much, possibilities of where price could be heading. Could go back but down to my zone 2460, or it could break above 2465. And just wait for that bullish candle to form up here. So it all depends where price is going, but it's looking like it wants to retest that 2460 again. So you could see a potential buy there. See how it's reacting, that micro pivot there. I'm confident that's going to break above this. Like, let's see. Break and retest to the upside. Let's see how she treats us this morning. But yeah, guys, I'm into here. I appreciate you guys. This could be a potential setup here. Just wait for that break of structure about 2465 for that buy. I'll keep you guys posted in the chat. Just wait for that break and retest above 2465. Okay. Yeah. So make sure you guys are studying more than you trade this weekend. Back tests, journal, watch the recordings. Go to my YouTube channel. I post all my recordings on my YouTube channel. I Grow with Carlos. It's also pinned in my Telegram channel. Those that want to check it out, give us a subscribe. You can search up Grow with Carlos. And it's also posted in my Telegram channel, in my pinned messages. So to watch the recording, I'll send out the link as well for my YouTube channel in the chat. This could be a potential setup here. Just wait for that break of structure, and we can catch a buy there. But I appreciate you guys. Have a blessed weekend. No calls tomorrow. So remember, guys, no call tomorrow. I'll be traveling, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. I love you guys. Have a blessed weekend. Let's go.